Welcome to Techamuna.com video reviews. Today we're looking at the Pikes Gen 4 folding bike. You can find them in various bike shops around the metro for about 26 to 30,000 pesos. I'll also put a link in the description below of shops where you can find them. Now if you're wondering why it looks like a Brompton, that's because it is a Brompton clone. When Brompton's patent ran out a few years ago, a lot of manufacturers started copying the design. And yes, it folds exactly like how a Brompton does. In fact, all the accessories for the Brompton, like this leather frame protector and bag rack, work perfectly on this bike. While you may think that this is just a simple clone, Pikes did improve some items compared to the original Brompton design. For one, when folded, the front and back wheels do not hit each other. Another improvement on this Gen 4, aside from the internal gear hub, is a 3-speed derailleur, making this a 9-speed bike. In case you're wondering, I already added some accessories and replaced some of the stock parts like this saddle, folding pedals, and this wheel extension, which I had to zip tie because unfortunately for some reason the original bolts on the wheel are stuck. So now the big question is, how does it ride? Well, to be honest, I really don't have a basis of comparison since I've never ridden a real Brompton. However, compared to my other folding bikes, it rides pretty well. The steering is a bit twitchy, but that's normal for bikes with 16-inch wheels. It has a comfortable ride and feels very solid. I was also pleasantly surprised that you could go pretty fast on this bike. One quirk I need to mention, just like on the original Brompton, is that you need to stop pedaling every time you shift gears. This is because of the internal gear hub. Overall, I'm really happy with this Pikes Gen 4 folding bike. Of course, I wanted to get a real Brompton, but both the price and availability make it very difficult. And at just 1/4 the cost of the original, I think this is a really great deal. I hope you enjoyed this short review of the Pikes Gen 4 folding bike. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe.